Meaning of inanimate.
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 Inanimate. The term inanimate refers to objects or entities that lack the ability to move, breathe, or exhibit any form of life. It is often used in contrast to animate objects, which have distinct characteristics of life such as movement, growth, and even reproduction. Inanimate objects may include non-living things like rocks, buildings, machines, furniture, and so on. These objects are essentially passive and do not possess any consciousness or willpower of their own. While they play significant roles in our lives, they do not have the agency or presence of animate objects.